Hey guys. This is my bathroom. So far, the inside is actually like, it's pretty clean except for the junk. Hi, it's me. But it's pretty clean. All you have is, don't mind that mirror. I know you're talking about that handprint right there. Shut up. You got the only thing that's actually dirty. Just get a little pink in here. Yeah. This is my closet, guys. It's not really a dream closet, so that's what this video is for. First, we gotta clean out the bathroom. Hey guys, welcome to the closet. My first step is just peeking. There's a duck in here. It's also so hot. Why do we have so much marker? You know, do you ever just like want to throw stuff away, but when you're gonna throw it away, you don't want to throw it away? Just me. What is this? Okay, for the most part, we got everything out. Look how clean it is. Like, literally, look how clean this thing... Don't look over there. Look how clean it is. We just have to clean the top and then take all this stuff out. But yeah, we'll be... Bruh. Okay, for the most part, everything is out except for this guy. Alright, with everything taken out, now the hard part, besides taking this stuff out, this is my mop, I don't want to touch that. But with everything out, the hardest part is actually, let's see, it's all clear. The hardest part is actually, yeah, finding where that stuff goes. So, I'm gonna try to organize it, try to see where stuff goes, and then we'll be right back. Everything is working together, everything's going together, everything's like coming in smoothly. Like, there's no AC in here, so I'm just sweating my butt off. Hey guys, it's finished. I finished the walk-in closet, and now, well, I cleaned the bathroom, and here at the walk-in. Actually, let's do like a whole review, okay? Guys, I hope y'all like this video of me doing this. If y'all want to see like more videos or like something like this, kind of like a little bit. But yeah, if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe because I need it. I want money because I'm unemployed. But yeah, love you guys. Glad you watched this video to the end. If you did, put a thumbs up in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.